Hey gut feelers, are you one of those millions of people who suffer from low stomach acid? I've got you covered. 5 simple tips for you to raise your stomach acid naturally, and they're easy to implement so you can get started right now. Tip number 1, guys, if you know anything about this channel, gut feelings, I've talked about that a lot before. Celery juice. There we go. This is not celery juice, of course, it's a celery, but this is how the raw product looks like. Why this is awesome, just really shortly, because I have a whole playlist just about celery juice. It's the fast track to improve your gut health and to raise up your natural stomach acid, which then kills off bacteria, kills off viruses, makes your life so much easier with digesting fats and protein. Helps also your liver to decongest and to let go of certain toxins, boosts up your mineral and nutrition base, and so much more. And the way to do that is to drink 16 ounces, that's a little bit less than half a liter of celery juice without water, without anything added, just the pure juice medicine, just celery, in the morning when you wake up first thing. I linked the playlist of celery juice up here where you can learn everything about it. If you're just doing this, you're already doing a great job to improve your natural HCl levels, but also your overall health, your overall energy levels in your digestion. Hack number 2, the simple habit to improve your HCl levels naturally, is to use this beautiful fruit, lemon. Before each meal, you have half a lemon like this, juiced in a little bit of water, can be less depending on your gusto, 15 minutes before each meal. And what that will do for you is it will help you, whatever you eat afterwards, to digest that better and to reserve a little bit of the stomach acid. It will put less stress on your stomach to produce stomach acid, so you save a little bit, because this guy, with the acidity and with the natural nutrient base it has, it starts to massage your liver, brings out toxins as well, but also increases your bile production. The more bile production you have, the better is your digestion. The better your digestion, the less stomach acid you need and the less stress you put on your digestion. So 15 minutes before each meal, half a lemon juiced in water and drunken. That's hack number 2. Third habit has to do with your breakfast. This, guys, is really, really important. I see a lot of people who want to improve their gut still make these major mistakes. Breakfast is kind of a fresh start in the day. Yeah, you do your celery juice, and then you do your lemon water, and then you have breakfast. And this breakfast, I tell you what it can't be. It can't be high in fat, can't be high in protein, no eggs, no dairy, no meat. Why? Because all of these, first of all, they're all trigger foods. If you want to learn more about that, check out below or upstairs. I link you a video about that. All of these foods, they are high in protein, high in fat. This will put, from the beginning of the day, stress on your digestion. You want to make your breakfast light. Help your liver to detoxify a little bit more. Help your kidneys get more fruit water, more rich vegetable water. It has high quality water in, which is high in enzymes if it's raw. Best thing you could do is, as a first breakfast, you can have a second breakfast if you get hungry afterwards. First breakfast, fruits are awesome. Best mono meal, just one type of fruit, or you go for a smoothie. Something I really like and I also use in my 3-day detox challenge is a smoothie with celery, cucumber and apple. That's a really good combination. It tastes nice, it's really refreshing. It's a great first meal of the day. Tip number 3, breakfast matters. No high fat, no high protein content. Allow your body to gently start, because this sets the tone of the day. Hack number 4 is connected to this. It's a technique called intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting, the way I recommend it for you to do, you can do it always longer, but the minimum amount would be 12 hours between your last meal in the evening and your first meal in the morning. I usually don't count celery juice and lemon in that. I know people say, oh, it's calories, but anyway, it's going to put zero stress on your digestion. So intermittent fasting for improving your HCl levels, the way to do that is to have a light breakfast. So if you're still in the I need more protein, I need more fat movement, which I honestly not a big fan of, but if that's still important for you, do that at lunch or afternoon. Don't do that at dinner, don't do it at breakfast. So dinner needs to be light, some complex carbohydrates with lots of greens, raw greens, cooked greens, and then 3 hours minimum, guys, after finishing your dinner. Minimum 3 hours, no food before you go to bed. 4 hours is better, 4 hours is better. You can always have like one piece of apple if you get really hungry, or a ripe banana, or eat a tomato like that. Whatever you can do, something raw that doesn't put stress on your digestive system. But try to keep those 12 hours food free to give your digestion this break. This is basically a healing pause for your stomach and also for your stomach acid. Last but not least, tip number 5, guys, this one, I know you're gonna put me thumbs down, especially if you love this one, but it's so important. I know it hurts, I love it too, but it doesn't go well with stomach acid. And what is it? Coffee. Coffee is not only a mineral thief. Yeah, you want to get high nutrients, high minerals. Minerals and cluster salts are essential for building up your HCl levels. Yeah, mineral thief, and it steals your energy. I have a video on that one. I never know which side. Great coffee alternatives talk more about the impact that coffee has on our digestive system, on our adrenals as well, on our hormonal balances or imbalances. So guys, coffee depletes your HCl levels. Sorry to break the bad news. Even if you drink less, guys, every step counts. Even if you can commit to making coffee something that is special, yeah, and get your energy kick somewhere else. If you're hardcore, if you're a brave soul, you can do cold, hot showers. That's something I did in the beginning to get off this stuff because I had so much allergies, and that really didn't help to drink coffee with that. But you find your way. In the video, I also talk about alternatives. So hack number 5, coffee and stomach acid, they don't like each other. Summary: the 5 habits you can do on a daily basis that help you improve your stomach acid levels naturally without being any more dependent on all these medications that you get that actually damage your system more. Number 1, have a morning routine with celery juice. If celery juice isn't available because you live in India or another country, cucumber juice or lemon juice are great alternatives. I talk about that in the celery juice playlist. Then we have lemon juice, half a lemon before each meal. Third one, your breakfast matters. Light breakfast, no heavy fats, no heavy proteins. Number 4, the importance of intermittent fasting, at least 12 hours each day to have a digestive break. And number 5, coffee has to go. Or if you're on the journey, try to reduce it slowly. Now guys, if this is all too much and you think like, oh my god, where to even start? I don't know how to do this. I don't know what best to eat to heal my gut, to heal my digestive system and my stomach acid. I've got something for you. Because so many gut feelers are suffering with this, I created a 1-week gut healing challenge, which comes as an ebook. It's all inclusive, got a shopping list, meal plan every day, gives you background information about certain types of healing foods, what they do for your body if you want to know more. And I also give you my best supplement recommendations for improving your gut health and also getting your energy back. If that's something that interests you, I link you the preview below so you can have a look at that. Now guys, before we end this video, here's the call to action. Here's what to do right now. If you resonate with this video, if you like what I'm sharing, please, I invite you to choose not all of them, not all 5 altogether. If you choose all 5 and you do it for 3 days, it's going to be less effective than if you choose 1. You don't get stressed out. You actually see positive results already and you have a good gut feeling afterwards. So choose 1 and then let me know in the comments below which one was the one you can commit to for the next 7 days. I wish you a beautiful day. Thank you so much for watching. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.